The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported updates from front-line conflict May 22. The armed clashes had occurred in some areas. In South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, aviation and artillery of the Vostok Group of Forces inflicted a fire damage on AFU units close Shevchenko, Donetsk People's Republic, and Marfopol, Malaya Tokmachka, and Nesteryanka, Zaporozhye region. One sabotage and reconnaissance group of the armed forces of Ukraine has been disabled close to Novodonetskoye, Donetsk People's Republic. More 150 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 pickup trucks, and 2 D-30 howitzers have been neutralised during the day. Moreover, an ammunition depot of the 65th Mechanized Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces was destroyed close to Orekhov, Zaporozhye region, Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson said. In total, the armed forces of Ukraine have been lost 428 fighter jets and 235 helicopters, 4,262 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 anti-aircraft missile systems, 9,257 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,100 combat vehicles equipped with multiple launch rocket systems, 4,881 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,379 pieces of special military hardware have been destroyed during the special military operation, said Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russia Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson. The armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement May 22 said Russia lost 720 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 9 armored fighting vehicles, as well as 20 artillery systems and 8 drones. In total, Moscow has been lost 203,880 servicemen since Russia have been launching full-scale aggression to Ukraine territories. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 454 days. There is still no peace agreement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!